This is a piano tutorial for the Carole King song, Up on the Roof. This is a really pretty simple song, even for a beginner. I will show you the fingering for the right hand. You start with your thumb on a D, and you stretch it up to your second finger to this G note. And your fifth finger's on that C. Down to D here with your thumb. Second finger on E. And then you do that again. Thumb on D, second finger on G. Second finger again. 1, 2, 3. Fifth finger on that B like that. Then you lift your fifth finger up to play this C note. Then you'll move to your thumb on this G note so you can get to this E note. And that repeats itself. And then the second ending. So your thumb's on D there. And then it does instrumental for a while. Then you put your thumb on this G again. And it goes up to your fourth finger on C. And then goes up to your fifth finger on thumb on G, fifth finger on E. And then your fourth finger on this D. Then you're gonna go, you run out of your fingers there, you gotta put your second finger on that G note. Thumb on D still, second finger there. One, two, three, fifth finger on that D. So really not that tricky with the fingering. It's in the key of G, so you only have to watch out for one black note, F sharp. And as I recall, I don't remember too many of those in this song, if we even had any. Then I'll show you the chords here for the left hand. You're going to start with the G chord, and you're going to play it like that. D, G, and B on the top. And E minor, E, G, and B. C chord, C, E, G. Minor, C, E, A like that. Or you could do it either way like that. And a G chord again, D, G, and B. E minor again, E, G, B. C chord, C, E, G. There's some interesting chords that are just a little bit more advanced. I want to show you these two. They're not that hard. They just add a note. So you start on a C chord there, and then you can make it into a C6 chord. And that adds this A note. So it's 7th, C, E, G, B. And back down to the C6 like that, C, E, G, A. There's a G chord, D, G, and B. E minor, E, G, B. C again, and then a D chord, which is D, F sharp, and A. And then that repeats itself, and then the second endings. So it starts on a D chord there on up, D, F sharp, and A. On is A minor, E, A, C, and then a G chord, D, G, B. E minor again, C, A minor, G, C chord, C, E, G, C6 again, C, E, G, A, C major 7th, C, E, G, B, back to C6, G chord, D, G, B, E minor, E, G, B, C, and a D chord, D, F sharp, and A, C, G chord again, E minor again, E, G, B, C chord, A minor, A, E, C, C, A, C, E, A, G chord, E minor, C, A minor, and it ends on a G chord there. So that's the chords for the left hand. I'll work on it hands alone, and then when you put it together, it sounds like this.